2004 here at Kala Academy. Over the next 3 days, we will explore, empower and enrich our understanding of Goa's most iconic crop, that is Cashew, through science, through culture, cuisine, commerce and governance. So to grace this occasion, we have with us Shri Kamal Datta Sir, IFS, Principal Chief Conservator Forest, Goa Forest Department. Shri K. Ramesh Kumar Sir, IFS, APPCCF and Managing Director, Goa Forest Development Corporation. Shri Santosh Kumar Reddy Sir, IFS, Deputy Conservator Forest South Goa Division and Board of Directors. Shri Cashew Prakash, internationally renowned spirit educator. So, I may now request Shri Amar Heblikar Sir, GM of GFDC, to kindly welcome our dignitaries on the dais. Thank you. We shall now begin traditional lighting of the lamp, symbolizing and enlightenment. Proceed for lighting of the lamp ceremony. As the lamp is lit, let us remember that this flame is not just a ritual but a beacon of wisdom and inspiration. May it guide our discussions, illuminate new ideas and strengthen our collective resolve to enrich Goa's Cashew legacy. Now it is time to welcome our dignitaries with a floral welcome. I request Shweta to kindly welcome Shri Kamal Datta Sir, IFS, Principal Chief Conservator Forest, Goa Forest Department. Followed by Shri K. Ramesh Kumar Sir, IFS, PCCF and MD, Goa Forest Development Corporation. Followed by Shri Santosh Kumar Reddy, IFS, DCF South and one of the Board of the Directors. Shri Amar Heblikar Sir, General Manager, Goa Forest Development Corporation. Shri Cashew Prakash Sir, renowned spirit educator. May I now request Shri K. Ramesh Kumar Sir, Managing Director of Goa Forest Development Corporation, to kindly deliver the
Inauguration Limited. I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest for the inaugural session, Shri Kamal Datta sir, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, and our head of the department of Forest Department, Government of Goa. Sir, warm welcome sir. Sir is our board of director also, and always he is very keen and the initiatives of Goa Forest Development Corporation Limited in all occasions, and he has kindly consented to grace this occasion to inaugurate the technical session. Once again, on behalf of the GFDCL fraternity and on my own behalf, I extend my warm welcome, sir, for gracing this occasion. My welcome is due to Mr. Santosh Reddy. He is also our one of the board